What is going on, world? It's J-Doubts and we're back for yet another unboxing and review video, and today we have the Nike Vapor Edge Pro 360 cleats, and I've been waiting to get my hands on these for quite some time now, and now that I finally got them, I wanted to bring you guys with me for unboxing and everything first before we get straight to it. So without any further ado, let's just get straight into the unboxing. So my overall first impression is these are actually much lighter than I thought that they would be. Like, the shoe is like almost like seamless. So looking at the overall construction, I love the fact how it has like the built-in inner sock liner. It has what's called like a ghost lacing system, where the laces are actually tucked underneath here, so you don't have to worry about tying your shoestrings or getting them snagged or caught over and over while either being active or playing in a game in these. Initially, my first concern was the fact like the cleat would be good, but the overall like upper would be too like flimsy because it's so like lightweight. But these are actually like very sturdy, much more sturdier than I imagined in the beginning. I love the fact how it has like this additional lateral support, so when you're making those cuts and getting in and out of your breaks. And then it also has like this amazing like carbon shank plate which sits underneath your arch here, and it really does a very good job as far as like keeping your foot secured and planted inside of the cleat. And one thing, a big feature that I didn't notice until I purchased these, and I know you can't see it on camera, but inside the heel cup here, there's like an extreme amount of padding that pretty much wraps around the back of your heel and kind of like follows up all the way up to that Achilles tendon and everything there, which is like a huge selling point for me, because like once your foot is in it, it feels like it's in there, it's locked there and it's planted. And so that was my major concern with these being like so lightweight. I was kind of afraid that I would lose a lot of like overall like rigidity in the shoe, but this shoe is actually like very like rigid, and I love that. So like, you know, that's a great amount of flex and everything for a cleat, which is amazing. And then overall, like as far as like the styling, I really love how Nike like implemented like a really big swoosh here, and then it reads Vapor 360 speed system here. And then here on the heel, like I love like this plate, because it not only goes underneath, but it also wraps around for that additional support here. And then again, additional black Nike logo here. And even in just looking at these cleats, like right now I'm ready to just like lace them up and get straight to it. Like ready to get a workout in already. And I love like the fact that it has like this secure pull tab, which isn't just attached to here, but it's also attached to the sock liner on the inside, which I'm sure will make getting in and out of these cleats like very easy and secure. And I'll just kind of pull the laces out so you can kind of get like a quick peek. But the laces are in there, and it goes all the way to right about there. And I love the fact like on the inside, this like sock liner is made out of like a Nike Pro material. So if you've ever owned like a pair of like Nike Pro Combat like compression sleeve or like padded girdles, or like the arm sleeve there, that's what this material on the sock liner is actually like made out of, which is very great. The stitching is great. Everything seems to be double stitched. I'll take this out of there. And then on the inside, the insole reads Vapor engineered for speed. And good whiff test, like they smell amazing. Smell pretty good, nice and clean and fresh. So let me know what you guys think. Like, how y'all feeling about these? Now, Nike does offer, these aren't even the top tier of these football cleats. Nike offers an elite version of this. This is just a pro version, but Nike offers an elite version, which kind of has like just a couple other features, but what I felt like wouldn't be suitable for what I'm looking to do with these cleats. If you guys have been following the channel, you've been following my fitness journey for quite some time now, you guys know that I love to get out on the field, speed and agility work. Also compete recreationally in a few different men's leagues here in the area. So these cleats are a great investment from what I've been planning over the past years, and they actually look very durable, so I know I'm gonna get a lot of great use out of them. And then as well, like looking at the material that the actual cleats are made out of, they don't look like they'll wear down anytime soon. Like they look like they're very durable, and then probably should last maybe like a good season or two before having to be replaced. So if you made it to the end of this video, I appreciate you. I thank each and every one of y'all. Be sure to head over and hit that subscribe button, click that bell, turn on those post notifications so you can stay updated for many more videos like this to come. And until the next time, I'm up out of here. So what, y'all thought I was gonna leave y'all hanging and not show y'all no action footage of me in these cleats? Yeah, alright.